We all know what this struggle feels like. When we're at this stage, when we're trying to do a bun, we know how we feel. We feel hot. The sweat. I'm sweating, yeah. So much so, you need to wipe my neck because everyone knows this face. Everyone knows the pain. You just heard the hairband break. The breathing changes as well when you're doing a bun. This is a realistic tutorial of how to do a bun. Hey, would you like to see how I got this look? I'm joking. Like, seriously, please, please. I can't be going on crazy like this on the YouTube. Hey subscribers, welcome back to my channel. It's Tenisha from HiImNatural and I'm glad that you're back with me, back at it again. Sorry, I don't know why did I do that? Why did I change the setting? But anyway, going off on a tangent. I just want to say thank you guys for actually subscribing to this channel, for coming with me on this YouTube journey. You don't have to click, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to like, you don't have to watch, you don't have to waste your time. Although I did check my YouTube analytics and I see you've not been watching past 5 minutes, but that's fine. I know it ain't no 10,000, I know it ain't 100,000, I know it ain't 1,000, I know it ain't 100, but it's 50 and that's fine. That's 50 people in the room and that's fine for me. I'm wondering why my hair looks like I've just been through the storm. I've actually been through the storm. Even though it's 32 degrees outside or whatever, I've been through the storm because I tried to do a braid out and this is what happened. This is actually what we've got. So I thought to myself, what's the point of trying to record a video to show you how I got the nicest braids out when I ended up with this? What else can I do? I thought, okay, let me just show you guys how I get a big bun and how you get the biggest bun you've ever got. Because if you got big hair like this, which I'm sure the people that know me know and realize that I never have my hair like this. My hair just doesn't ever look like this. It normally looks more defined and it just normally looks more moisturized, and it'd be looking dry right now. Some days you wake up and your hair's dry like this and you don't know what to do. So I'm gonna show you, okay, what you do when your hair's dry like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I get a bun. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Share if you care, if you don't then you won't, so please do, and we'll catch you in the next one. So yeah, I just used some water on the perimeter of my hair. I'm sorry, I'm gonna look in the VF because I need to see what I'm doing. I ain't got no mirror. I feel like I'm being mean to you guys, I don't know why. I feel like I'm upset. I'm upset about my failed braid out, so I feel like I'm being mean to you guys, and I don't need to be mean to you guys because you guys didn't do nothing. You guys actually didn't do nothing, you know? You have just clicked on the channel and I'm vexed. Yeah, I just take any leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, anything that you've got. I don't use gel to go through my whole hair when I'm pulling it up in one because that to me, I don't know, I don't feel comfortable putting gel throughout my hair. Like, I know I did that wet look and I know I saturated my daughter's hair with gel. Please don't come for me. I take any leave-in, as I just did, and then I just group my hair up like this. We all know what this struggle feels like. I feel bothered because I'm trying to do a bun right now and I actually feel bothered. I shouldn't have worn this top. But yeah, I feel bothered. Once we've got the hair all up like this, I just take a hairband. So I take a hairband, 2 preferably, because I have to use 2. If I use 1, it just snaps and then I get all vexed with my hair and I start like saying that I don't want to do it and stuff. But yeah, so we just put it in a hairband. Every girl knows what to do here. Everyone knows this face, everyone knows the pain. Every girl on the planet. You just heard the hairband break. So now we're gonna have to improvise because the hairband broke. I don't like that. Okay, let's start this again, guys, because the hairband just snapped on me like I said it would do. So what I do, let's do that again. I just get any leave-in conditioner. This is a realistic tutorial of how to do a bun because most girls are like, okay. I'm not taking the mic, but it's funny. My hair up in one like this as you can see, I'm still sweating. Why do I feel like I'm actually burning calories putting my hair up in one? I feel like I'm legit burning calories. There's no need to go to the gym, man. Just put your hair up in one.
I'm actually sweating.
Just from doing this bun. So once we've got it all up in one, I like to just pull and tug. It's probably not good for your edges, but we ain't doing this for, we're not gonna do this every day. So yeah, once it's all up in one, I like to just pull and tug. And then the secret trick, get one of these, I don't know what this is. I think they call this a donut. Take your actual hair that you've just put in a bun through the whole of the donut. And then you wanna just group it around that. And then you take any hairband. I think, yeah, that one. I don't think I'm supposed to record this video. Right, so I've managed to fix that hairband. So once you take a broken hairband or what have you, it shouldn't really be red. You just want to kind of put that around the donut. We could just leave it here, no we can't. And then you want to just tuck all of the individual bits of hair. I'm liking it, I'm liking it. Very professional. Around the hair. Guys, is this really that big of a bun? Like, I did say this was going to be a really big bun, but this is what you do after your hair just fails. Put all the hair around the donut like that. What I like to do is go back in with any brush and literally make sure that it's looking okay. Bit of hair just dropped down, yeah, that's what happens, hair just drops down. And then I go, should I give you like a little spin? Yeah, and then I'll just go and do my edges, because you could leave your edges like this, but because I've got a 6-finger forehead, I don't like to leave my edges like this. Listen, all about doing your edges because you think, oh, it's so cute, and yeah, they could look nice and stuff, but when you've got big foreheads, that's why you do your edges. Why is her edges always laid? Because I've got a big head. So then I just go with my toothbrush that I've had for years. I've had this toothbrush for like 5 years and it's probably filled with all sort of bacteria, but in fact, the more bacteria, the better the edges.
You sound insane.
So yeah, then we're just gonna go in. I just go in and I kind of just do something like that. I don't know what is that? What is that? I guess this bun could have been professional, but when I went in with the edges, it stopped being professional and started being hood. But yeah, and then what I like to do is, this is the only time I'll use a little bit of gel, is to kind of do that all like that. Have you? That's what I do, guys. So yeah, if your hair fails and you basically, you don't know what you're doing after your hair, you try to do a braid out and it didn't work, then just do a bun. Just do a bun and be on your merry way. But this is like a nice big bun that I've done here. I actually like this bun. I actually took like, I've been filming for ages, but I don't know how long that actually took, probably like 5 minutes. And I went through a lot of sweat and 2 hair brands broke, but here we have you. Now we have this bun and it looks half decent, doesn't look bad, okay? And so yeah, this is what you can do. If, you know, you're having a bad hair day, just pull it up in a bun, that's what everyone else does. This is quite a neat looking professional bun, actually. I think I could go to a job like this. I could work in some sort of corporate establishment with my hair like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, I'll see you in the next video. I will.